top stories. Chief Minister returns home with great smile after CAF failure, accorded heroes welcome. Powerful IED found planted in front of Catholic school gate, KCP People's War Group claims hand. And KSO calls off Imphal More Road blockade following agreement with government. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY Chanambam with the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren, who arrived in Manipur after camping for many days in Delhi, thanked the Centre for listening to the voices of the people. He was attending his reception ceremony organized by BJP Manipur Pradesh at Hapta Kangjebung in Palace Compound today. The Chief Minister received joyous welcome from the ministers, MLAs and BJP workers at the Tulihal airport around 3:30 this afternoon. Addressing the gathering of tens of hundreds of BJP workers at his reception ceremony, the Chief Minister further said Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, in a meeting with BJP Chief Ministers of Northeastern States, had said that the centre is trying to make a consensus decision on CA bill. The Home Minister also said that BJP-led central government is not like past government. It will listen to the voices and respect the sentiment of the people of Manipur and the Northeast region.
Madu chap sana ngak pirakpadagi ngasi ekhoi sidai de ekhoi mayam pullaga leiba phamgani masigi damta isor bu thagale.
Talking about the police action which left many protesters, including women vendors of Quaramban market, injured, the Chief Minister said it was very saddened to hear about the injuries of the protesters. The curfew was promulgated in twin district of Imphal to maintain order in the city. It is very unfortunate that some people started sharing posts stating that the CA bill has been passed. It was due to such sensitive and hawks that compelled the government to impose the curfew. However, he thanked the women vendors and the civil society organizations for adopting democratic form of agitation, sparing few incidents here and there.
Curfew do thamning de migi yum attack karo di curfew thamda yaribo MLA singi yum changa attack tore adagi net thingbai maram yengbi garo sida mi amani khak maming palla thagalai curfew thamgre bill pass tawgre huji akoi ningkha tambana tanu upai leroi na net sida thagalai ba aingondra sida yauri Ninka tambanatra self determination natra upai leitre na thagale ba adu adum salhallo braba ne thing no adum salhalaga ha kanu to honja braba.
On the other hand, the Chief Minister mentioned that it is very unfortunate that residences of some ministers and MLAs and a BJP office were attacked and vandalized. Join us if you love your motherland. Please don't try to divide the people. Office buildings can be destroyed, but each workers will stay on. The BJP-led government will stay on for at least 20 more years. So don't even try, adjured the Chief Minister N. Biren.
No ma podi no ma loina sigida mi ngatani. Akhoi masen khanna ba akhoi masen hatok nan balambi yatpi no please. Akhoi ma hingmin na se. Let's live together.
On the other hand, MPCC leaders led by CLP leader O Ibobi visited the injured protesters who are undergoing treatment at RIMS today. A powerful improvised explosive device, IED, was found planted in front of Catholic school Kanchipur this morning. A bomb disposal squad of Manipur police retrieved the IED and later defused it in a nearby paddy field. Earlier, a team of Imphal West Police led by Superintendent of Police Jugesh Chandra Singh arrived at the spot to take stock of the situation. It may be noted that all educational institutions had remained closed for several days due to CAB unrest in the state. All schools resumed classes today. However, the Catholic school had to cancel the classes following the incident.
Educational institute it has to be a peaceful atmosphere. But incidents of this sort shows that there are some persons who are wanting to destroy the future generation and create a psychological fear among the students. This is uncalled for. It is not a good act at all. So we would like to condemn this act and not to repeat this kind of activities, especially in the educational institutions of this sort. Those who really love the children, those who really take care of the children, I think this is really uncalled for. That is through the media, mainly through the newspapers and others. We have also come to know that there are such demands are placed. But no one has come to meet us personally and also to make such requests.
The bomb planted by the unwanted elements underground group has been defused successfully by our district police in connivance with the together with the bomb squad party of our own department. And targeting an educational institution is something we condemn it, because in the learning process they have to go, and I condemn this action and I appeal not to do this sort of things anymore in future.
Meanwhile, the Kangleipak Communist Party KCP People's War Group Marxist Center has claimed responsibility for the Catholic school Kanchipur bomb incident. A release signed by Comrade Lenin Maitei, Secretary of Central Media Coordinator of the outfit, warned the Catholic Education Society to surrender to the group. It said the outfit did not issue any kind of monetary demand nor to the authority of the school. The release charged that Catholic school Society tried to defame the group and sow it to the people of Kangleipak on the wrong light. It further warned the Catholic school society to stop such practices in future. Four cows were killed when a cow shed caught fire last night at Sunushifai, Ward number 5, under the jurisdiction of Vishnupur Police Station. The incident happened around 10:30 p.m. as per a report. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained, it added. The Kuki Students Union KSO Tengnoupal District has called off the Imphal More Road blockade over the death of one Mangjilang Gangte following an agreement was reached between the student body and Manipur government. Mangjilang, who was working with MSPDCL on contract, died after an electric shock at his native village of Chamol in Tengnoupal District on February 9. The KSO began the road blockade from 12th of February, demanding a response from the state government over the death of Mangjilang. Traffic movement on the Imphal More highway resumed following the development. Now, let's have a short commercial break.
lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba assembly constituency humphudagi mathauda pukning changba public relationship executive post ki mioi amamam lawjagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobirau at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikhoigi address lamjingba group Rims Road Imphal, phone number at 131944063.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coapitel near Imphal Products.
Manipur da ihan hangoin handuksaba Green Can Industries Masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna thangiragani.
We're very, very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services yamna pending our entrepreneurs na Green Can Industries that depend over yani
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best. We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Adum so mutang lenshin biraktuna akupa marol di kamakta tanabiyu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ address Green Cane Industries Mahengum Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Cane Industries for better waking.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Ngasi February gi tang taraga mari yaifaraба numit asida yamna pikna haurakhiba lamjingba group na miyamgi seba tawjarakpabu nungsibiba amadi masak khangbibadagi malemgi thakta tinjaba ngamjare loinana Malaysian government ki Register of Companies na Companies Act 2016 gi makhada Certificate of Incorporation of Private Company ngasi lamjingba group ki chairman Jackie Mangangda sinabirakle masigidamak lamjingba group ki maikeidagi leibak miyamda tawbimal khangba utpagal loinana nungaiba phongdokjari.
Welcome back. Locals along with Mairapaibis of Kwakaithal Konjung Lekai staged a sit-in protest at the community hall of the locality and also blocked the Tidim Road today, demanding the repair of the road stretch of Ningthemcha Karong School Lerak, which leads to the Imphal International Airport. Yumnam Binodini, who was participating in the demonstration, drew the attention of the Chief Minister and Works Minister over the issue and urged them to take initiative to start a repair work on the road at the earliest.
Nama waba oinare asigi lambi se angtadi khoi angta seman biu hai base phane amna di hai hanjan hai moi kari inta mana niktre aduna airport tar ba lambi adagi main road orini amarom da main road hai ba khoi lambi se kari gi noi da sorom da airport phawdok phawjen tong bagi kari gi nahan su smai tawdana airport tagi lakpa matam da mi sing do angtoi ba kanu illa trolley illa ga makhong na adagi mananga da nambo pora makhong na chaliba asmai tawdana lambi se khudi bu thijandana mi punamak sinare asi karamba MLA no haina khoju asuki matek sauninge nauria pakhangla pa kendra ge MLA se ya matik sadre asuki matik sadre MLA ne tawrise moi elaka de tawrongani akhogi elaka se yadre.
A large number of SSA and Ramsar teachers staged a sit-in demonstration at the JEO office in Porompa today, demanding their 6 months pending salaries and other basic beneficiaries. A SSA upper primary teacher, Taruni, who was participating in the protest, told Tom TV that they were recruited as regular teachers. However, so far they are not getting the facilities.
Jadiba demand si amana akhoi regular oina khanbi raga kaidoi damta regular gi facilities pbd no sin number 1 akhoi hangjaning si atopa state cadre gi ga chap manaba right to akhoi da pbu adigi line of promotion laite line of promotion ju pbu sina taba taragadi akhoi na changsaliba khongjang se sina loiba sunate akhoi na sarkar da han haijari haibadi akhoi na lakadaba election gi duty so akhoi amta lawroi adigi examination gi duty so amta lawroi boycott tawgani aduga lakadoriba election sigi mamang sida code of conduct sigi mamang sida karigumba khongjang amta lokhat piraktaba taragadi akhoi sidagi hena sathiba action lokholakani aduga akhoi agitation makhan gi so akhoi tayari da leijari.
On the other hand, raising the same demand, SSA and Ramsar Teachers Association also staged a protest at Zone 1 office of JEO in Koyatong today. Moirangtem Sunita, a SSA teacher who was taking part in the protest, expressed displeasure against the present ruling government for failing to meet the demand.
Regular natabra kai no se khangda leibisi samanna basida government da solution amtang pubiro hadna appreciate myam se kunsalaga ram samdi SSA se kunsalaga pui sida phamjabani.
The band outfit UNLF today refuted as baseless and false reports which were published in some local dailies yesterday that IGAR South arrested one person in connection with the recent bomb blast at Kangjebung, Imphal. It further stated that the reportedly arrested person, namely Yumlembam Kalen Elias Yaremba from Kairao Bitra, has already been expelled from the group on the ground of committing misconduct. Jiribam district has decided to suspend CAB protests. A sit-in protest was held at Babupara to mark the suspension of the protest. It was joined by leaders of various civil society organizations and Mairapaibi groups. They held placards that read, "We oppose CAB 2016, withdraw CAB." A meeting was also held during which convener of Manpak Jiri W. Dinesh Meite said that the meeting was held after the group called a total shutdown starting from 4 a.m. of 11 February till 6 p.m. of 12 February. Since the bill was not tabled in the Rajya Sabha, the protest has been suspended. A woman died while giving birth at Primary Healthcare Center Tamai yesterday. Liangmai Naga Katimai Rongdi, one of the student groups of Liangmai tribe, has strongly condemned the incident. It said the woman died due to inadequate facilities at the health center. They urged the government to look into the matter while threatening to launch protests over the incident. The Harvesting Festival of Naga tribe Luingaini has kicked off at Senapati District Headquarters, organized by UNC today. The opening function of the two-day event was attended by TD and Hills Minister Losi Dikho, MLAs Leishi Kaising, Awangbo Nyumai, Kasim Vashum and Samuel Yendai. UNC President Kojo opened the event, which was followed by beautiful traditional dance and songs. President of Moneywood, Thangjam Arun Kumar, flexed off Team Moneywood FC at MFDC today. A 40-member team of Moneywood, including officials, left Imphal today to take part in a friendly football match to be held at Eastern Science School ground Moray tomorrow. Ecodome, Bobby Enterprises and Moneywood team have jointly organized a friendly match under the theme Peace and Unity. Manipuri digital film director L. Prakash and actor R.K. Amarjit said that the friendly football match aims to strengthen the bond between different communities of the state.
Manipuri film tauribasingi amata ngairaba adumba star sing amadi madubu sogat piriba kangu punna semba adumba matam kuina miyamgi thogol tawjaraklaba group ni Manipuri se akhoi jagadoribasi moredani Moreda Mogi Peace and the Unity gi organization amana semaga kanglu khudi maglo ina yawa Moreda kundariba group sing se lo yawa moi dugi moi ga pulla kanda football match ama adugi sanana bai damaktani akoina ada sasaga dori se koi jointly organize torokanda tawbuni koi mioi se punna minimpu mungni koi ada satoi se koi gi sanaroi da kurmathoi gumba damaina yawi atai singna official
Aku Mori Ekodongi Loina, Bobby Enterprises Loina. Aku Peace and Harmony based orga. Aku Bolong Kudang, Aku Manu Kaluna, Bolmi Sinjena, Aku Santi Prognaba, gave up from Santi Santi Puba, Gamama, Ata Sanasena, Hypoti, Quinishum, Sinjaraga, Shade, Aku Mam, Aku Kanazaraga, okay, Sasina, Aku Tasina, Lamdam Ziguina. Koi Santi when we them adu bakulon sapa bol sarabagi gron Santi puba bol ni haisik ni aduga asomda sanado sing ju community meam punba to torsi kuki adigi atek te adu ta taribe meam se pul pajalaga moi group sembaga koi suna kan mani ki film fraternity sing jiga koi sanabagi kunone masida.
Once again, let's have a short commercial break, so stay with us.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner Rs 1 lakh, first runners-up Rs 80,000, second runners-up Rs 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba Lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari. Apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer. Standard rate ₹25 per kilometer. Luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupa marol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
HBL Constructions in partners with HBL Architects, providing complete building solutions, building constructions, architectural consultancy, soil testing and structural design, re-engineer structure, interior design, all kind of building services. Building the future. For more detail, please visit our website www.hblarchitects.com or call us at 8730049186.
Ngasi February gi tang taraga mari yaifaraба numit asida yamna pikna haurakhiba lamjingba group na miyamgi seba tawjarakpabu nungsibiba amadi masak khangbibadegi malemgi thakta tinjaba ngamjare loinana Malaysian government ki Register of Companies na Companies Act 2016 gi makhada Certificate of Incorporation of Private Company ngasi lamjingba group ki chairman Jackie Mangangda sinabirakle masigi damak lamjingba group ki maikeidegi leibak miyamda tawbimal khangba utpagal loinana nungaiba phongdokchari.
Welcome back. The Narendra Modi government is yet to take a decision on bringing an ordinance to amend the citizenship bill after the amendment bill failed to secure parliamentary approval. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said on Wednesday. The government, however, is likely to re-promulgate the Triple Talaq ordinance as it could not get a Muslim Women Protection of Right on Marriage Bill 2 passed in the upper house, though Tomar refused to comment on that too. I cannot say anything as of now on this matter. We will think over it, Tomar said in response to IANS query whether ordinances will be brought in place of the said bills. The Citizenship Amendment Bill is being widely opposed, especially in the Northeast, where even the BJP's allies in the NDA have taken a strong exception to the legislation that was passed by the Lok Sabha last month. Tomar blamed the opposition for non-passage of the Triple Talaq bill, saying the opposition's attitude changed as the election came nearer. The Mizoram BJP unit Wednesday said Union Civil Aviation Minister Suresh Prabhu has promised to introduce Air India flights to Delhi and Guwahati from Aizawl. A press statement issued by the BJP Mizoram unit said that the inconveniences faced by the people of Mizoram due to discontinuation of Jet Airways flights from Aizawl to Delhi and Guwahati was informed by the State Unit General Secretary Ramthan Sangha to Prabhu in Delhi Wednesday. Prabhu said that nothing could be done during February, but Air India flights would be introduced in the Aizawl Delhi and Aizawl Guwahati sectors from March. The statement said, after the withdrawal of flights to Guwahati and Delhi from here by Jet Airways on Sunday, Mizoram now has direct air link with Kolkata only. At present, Air India has a flight service from Lengpui Airport here to Kolkata. Many people now travel over 150 km by road from Aizawl to Silchar in neighboring Assam's Kachar district to fly to Guwahati, Delhi and other destinations after the withdrawal of Jet Airways flights to Delhi and Guwahati. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, suspected members of Khasi students, KSU, allegedly pelted stones at the shops in Rinja Market in Shillong during a victory rally carried out by the Students' Union celebrating the non-passing of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. Meghalaya police have confirmed that few of the KSU members had allegedly pelted stones on some shops, and they are yet to find out more details what had happened actually. U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said he was looking forward to trade talks with China today as discussions in Beijing moved to a higher level in a push to de-escalate a tariff war ahead of March 1 deadline for a deal. The talks, scheduled to run through Friday, followed 3 days of deputy-level meetings to work out technical details, including a mechanism for enforcing any trade agreement. U.S. tariffs on 200 billion worth of imports from China are scheduled to rise to 25 from 10 if the two sides don't reach a deal by the deadline, increasing pressure and costs in sectors from consumer electronics to agriculture. Chinese trade data released today has shown imports from the United States fell 41.2 from a year earlier to 9.24 billion, the lowest amount in dollar terms since February 2016. China's trade surplus with the United States narrowed to 27.3 billion in January from 29.87 billion in December. Now, let's have a look to some of the newspaper headlines published in some local Delhis.
The Shanghai Express. Citizenship and triple talaq bills to lapse as Rajya Sabha adjourns sine die. Chief Minister credits people for keeping CAB at bay. Protesters in Northeast claims victory as citizenship bill stalls. Manpack suspends road protests. Joram Thanga held average of all. 9 parties insist on withdrawal of CAB. The People's Chronicle. Bodies vow to sustain anti-CAB movement till withdrawal. Time not ripe for celebration, says People's Alliance Manipur political parties. CAB fails to cross Rajya Sabha hurdle. Manpack lifts roadblocks chair, urges for sustaining agitation. Northeast rejoices as CAB set to lapse. Imphal Free Press. Manpack relaxes agitation as government fails to table CAB in Rajya Sabha. Embarrassment for BJP as party fails to move CAB 2016 in Rajya Sabha. Manipur Mail. Citizenship bill not introduced. Curfew lifted, internet restored. Chief Minister extends gratitude for democratic steer. Conard. Failure to table CAB a great moment for Northeast.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Chief Minister returns home with great smile after CAB failure, accorded heroes welcome. Powerful IED found planted in front of Catholic school gate. KCP People's War Group claims hand. And KSO calls up Imphal More Road blockade following agreement with government. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.